Hey guys, how's it going? How to set up business email with Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website. Alright, and make sure that you select the best plan possible. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Alright, now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead to the official website. And if you want to set up an email hosting or business email, choose an email service provider that offers free business email hosting. Bluehost is one of the most popular options for small businesses looking for to save costs and create a free domain and hosting platform. Right, so we're gonna go ahead right here, click email hosting, and you're gonna select your plan, right? And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click right here, learn more, and you're gonna select your plan, of course. And basically you're gonna select the professional email, right, or business email, and then just go ahead and log in, and you're gonna see the feature 25 email aliases, ad free professional email, unlimited mail filters, rich webmail, sync across devices, shared calendar contacts and tasks, and email undelete, documents, email sign-in, real-time anti-phishing, and safe unsubscribe service. So basically, once you select your plan, you're gonna be able to set up a business email with Bluehost. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.